algorithm. A sequential solution of any program that is written in human language is called algorithm. Algorithm is first step of the solution process. After the analysis of problem, programmer writes the algorithm of that problem. Sample algorithm. Algorithm to reverse the digits of an integer. Input. Number to be reversed greater than equal to n. Output. Reversed number n. Step 1. Input the number to be reversed n. Step 2. Assign the value of the number n to m. Assign the value L equals 0. Store the remainder which obtained by getting the modules of n and 10 in a variable k. Step 3. Divide m by 10. Assign L equal to product of L and 10 and add the sum to k. Step 4. If m is greater than 0. Yes. Repeat step 3. No. Output. The reverse of the number n is L. Step 5. Stop. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a stated problem using a reasonable amount of time and storage. Every problem has some input information and some desired results to be obtained. The important aspect is to determine if the information available is really sufficient to solve the problem at hand, and if it is so, what are the procedures that should be applied to the given information or data so that the required result can be obtained. The development of a proper procedure to solve the problem is called an algorithm. The operations that can be included in an algorithm are constrained by the possibility of a computer carrying them out. Each operation must be unambiguous about the process to solve the problem. The steps in the process must be effective enough to be theoretically done in a finite amount of time and memory. An algorithm terminates in a reasonably short time. Sample algorithm. Go to bus stop. Catch bus number M7B. Purchase a ticket. Get down at the market bus stop. Example of algorithm. Find out if number is odd or even. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Input number. Step 3. Remainder equals number mod 2. Step 4. If remainder equals 0, then print number even. Else print number odd. End if. Step 5. Stop. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode is a simple way of writing programming code in English. Pseudocode is not an actual programming language. Pseudocode should not include keywords in any specific computer language. It should be written as a list of consecutive phrases. The user should not use flowcharting symbols, but he can draw arrows to show looping processes. Indentation can also be used in pseudocode to show the logic. The purpose of using pseudocode is that it is easier for humans to understand than conventional programming language code, and that is a compact and language-independent description of the key principles of an algorithm. Pseudocode is used to quickly draw the outline of a program. It can use any human language. Example of a pseudocode. Initiate the program. Loop until I equals 10. Write Hello World to the screen. End, exit the loop. This is a pseudocode. It would not work if you ran it through a C compiler, but it explains the structure of the code and how users are planning to implement it. Example of pseudocode. If student's grade is greater than or equal to 60, print passed. Else print failed. End if.